Hi, let's use this table buttercream to decorate this beautiful cake. First, we need 200 grams of butter or margarine. You want to mix it till it is pale, light in color and fluffy. You can use your hand wicks, electric hand wicks. You can use your spatula, but here I am using the manual hand wicks. Now this is after mixing. You can see that the color has changed. It's no more yellowish, it's just pale. Now into that I'll be adding 500 grams of sifted icing sugar. Please ensure you sift it. It's very important you do. If you want a smooth buttercream, butter icing, ensure you sift your icing sugar. This will make sure that lumps did not enter inside and give your final decoration a disfigured look. And then another thing is that add it just a little at a time. Add the icing sugar a little at a time. To this I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. You can also use the powdered flavor, it will work fine. Now you want to mix it until it is well incorporated. I don't actually like using that wicks very well, especially when I'm doing the final mixing. Now you see this last part, I'm folding it. The reason is that if you don't fold it like this, when you want to use your electric wicks, it will just form a powdery, like dusty atmosphere, and you begin to sneeze. So to avoid that, fold. Now I'm done mixing my buttercream, and our buttercream is ready, silky smooth, and it tastes delicious. Now I'm dividing it into two, but not equal parts. The other one is just for decoration, or if I need to add an extra in case the color is much. So I'll just get a little of that one that is not yet colored to lighten the color. Please, another important thing is add your color a little at a time, just a little at a time, so that it will not be too much and there's nothing you can do about it. It's better if it's little, then you add little more. I hope I'm making sense. Now from all those three cakes, I just made use of one. Our buttercream is ready, our board is here. You put a little of the buttercream to help hold the cake in place. And then if you notice this cake, it is not burnt. I did not trim any part, so there are less crumbs like all over it. It is not rough, it is smooth. So that is why I just went on ahead and started decorating just directly. All right, but please, you can trim. Trimming is also important, but with buttercream tends to cover most of the flaws of a cake compared to fondant, whereby if it's slanted, it will come out slanted. So please, if you need to trim, you trim, especially for more cakes. But as I said, this is just a one layer cake, and it's not even going far or any distance. That is why you just see it like this. So next, I'm using my cake comb just to create some effects on it, to create some patterns on the cake. It is small, but it has to look good, right? Now I want to really use this opportunity to say thank you to my 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's been amazing having you, and I sincerely appreciate you. To all my amazing returning subscribers, thank you for all that share my videos. Thank you for much love. I sincerely appreciate. Now this side was not level. That is why I added an extra buttercream icing on it, so that it gives it a level look. Now that remaining buttercream, I wanted to create like a marble effect on the top design I wanted to make on the cake. So all I did is get a nylon and then added the color, the white or off-white, the yellow and this. So anytime you want to mix colors, you want to a design to come out twice like that when you are decorating, please, you can easily do this. It will always give it a beautiful outcome. Now you want to put that in the piping bag. Make sure, and this is the star nozzle. That is what I'm using. I actually had to practice a little because I'm not so good in piping. So by the end of the day, I just did this design, and well, we are learning, right? And I'll keep on developing myself too in this area. So here I'm just adding little effects. Thank you so much. And for those that are just seeing my channel for the first time, you're welcome to Joyous Cakes and More, where learning take place. Feel free to subscribe if you find value. Thank you, and share to those you feel will benefit from this video. Now, what you see me putting there is the Oreo cookies. I just splitted one into two, and then the white balls there are white chocolate balls. I just put half and then sprinkle the rest on it. Now, just to add more effect, I used the Hershey's chocolate syrup on it. I actually wanted to put a happy birthday topper, but I didn't get the color that will rhyme.